A New York federal court judge has seized $2.43 billion worth of Argentine assets from the Banco de la Nación, which is a state-owned Argentine bank. The asset freeze comes at a really critical time for Argentina because Argentina is in the middle of a debt swap where it's trying to tender at least $18 billion worth of debt that's been held over from a 2005 restructuring. Now, the government claims that it has about 45% participation in this latest debt round, but it needs about 60% participation to convince courts around the world to not seize Argentine assets, to repay creditors for the debt that the Argentine government has defaulted on. The real fate of this debt exchange lies in the hands of the mostly Italian, US, and German retail bondholders who are looking at the situation right now. They're looking at pretty unfavorable terms that the Argentine government is offering, the huge technicalities involved in this latest debt restructuring, and they're saying, well, I can either move forward and participate in this debt exchange before the June 7th deadline, or I can hold out and try to work through legal channels like this New York District Court judge and perhaps other state governments around the world who could follow the New York court's precedent and try to recover their investment that way. So really, a lot is on the line for Argentina moving forward, and this latest asset freeze undermines the confidence and the overall appeal of the debt restructuring taking place right now. The problem for Argentina right now is that the government is maintaining a very high level of populist spending to maintain political support in the country. They're doing that without implementing the necessary austerity measures to recover from the massive 2001 default. And so, even if Argentina regains access to the international credit markets, and that's still a big question mark, the big question is, will Argentina just simply spend itself more and more into debt and find itself in the exact same financial turmoil that it found itself in the 2001 default?